This video will guide you on how to perform internet banking with Loan Avenue. From the Loan Avenue website, select Transact Online. If your BSB number is 610101, please select this login button. If you are unsure of your BSB, you can locate this on your welcome letter or call the office on 1300 562 628. To log in, click the Click Here to Start link. In the next screen, you will be presented with some important security information. Please review this information and then press the Proceed button. When logging in, you'll need to enter your customer number. This is located on your welcome letter. You would have also received a personal access code, or PAC. Unlike your customer number, your PAC isn't entered directly. Instead, you need to use the scramble pad displayed underneath the field. Letters are randomly generated to correspond to a digit. For example, if your code was 1234, then in this case, you would type the letters P, Y, V, and M. After typing this code, press the Log On button. Once you've logged in, a snapshot of all your accounts will be displayed. YX account is a loan account, FX account is an offset account, RX account is a line of credit account, and an EX account is a Visa account. You have the ability to transfer within your loan accounts, perform BPAY transactions, and perform AnyPay transactions. The first function you should do is set your daily transfer limits. This is done through the AnyPay function. Daily limits protect your funds from unauthorised withdrawals. You can nominate a daily limit to any value you deem appropriate, and it is recommended that you are familiar with the terms and conditions applicable to your accounts before using this service. For security, your daily limit on each account is set to $0. To change this, press the Daily Account Limit Usage button. On the next screen, select your account and press the AnyPay button. Finally, enter in a new daily account limit and press the Update button. If you have multiple loans, Visa accounts and offset accounts, you'll need to set the daily limit on each account. The daily limit must be sufficient to allow the total amount of all payments due that day to be initiated. When you change your daily limit, you receive an email to confirm this, and the change will take effect in 2 business days. If you wish the payments to be made in the future, you will need to ensure that you have sufficient funds available in the account or accounts for us to process these payments. When using internet banking only, you are able to rename the account title on each account for easier identification. This is very useful if you operate multiple accounts of the same type and need to differentiate between them when using online banking. You can change the name of the account at any time and change back to the default name if desired. First, select your account, then press the Rename button. Your new account title cannot be more than 34 characters long, cannot be viewed by Loan Avenue staff, and will not appear on your statements. Enter in the new account title and press the Update button to rename the account. Use the BPAY screen to manage all your BPAY bills and future dated payments. You can add new BPAY billers to your biller list at any time. When making BPAY bill payments, should the payment be to a regular biller, just tick the checkbox on the payment screen next to the biller when making a payment, and the biller details will automatically be stored in the BPAY biller list section for your future reference. At any point in the future, you may select from this list to make a payment to that biller, press Pay, or delete the biller, press Delete. To add a new biller to this list, press the Add Biller button. On this screen, enter in the biller details and press the Add button. To pay a bill, on the BPAY screen, press the Pay Bill button. Please ensure that your account has sufficient funds available and the daily limit on this account is sufficient to include all the payments required on this business day. On the BPAY screen, enter the amount you wish to pay and change the payment date if required. This will default to today's date. If the bill is a recurring bill, you can select a frequency for payment. Your payment will be made periodically according to the chosen frequency. You'll be asked to confirm your BPAY request before the payment is scheduled. Note on this screen there is an option to select the biller. If you select a pre-existing biller, it will fill in the biller code and other details automatically. Otherwise, fill these details in and press the Continue button. When you've finished using internet banking services, remember to log off using the Log Off button.